Aero Asset proudly presents the Sikorsky S-76C++, serial number 760807. Over 875 S-76 aircraft have been delivered since entry into service in 1977. Today, the S-76 is flown in many different mission segments, including search and rescue campaigns, oil and gas platform operations, and VVIP transportation for discerning owners worldwide. This S-76C++, serial number 760807, exemplifies the caliber of aircraft sought after by VVIP owners. Operated by a private corporate flight department, this machine has been flown by experienced and trained crew and meticulously maintained to the very highest standards. Serial number 760807 is optioned with a Deluxe VIP interior, the highest level of completion offered by Sikorsky. The cabin layout is finished with herringbone upholstery trimmed forward and aft-facing divans, allowing for 3 or 4 passengers per side, and complemented with leather-covered interior panels. Cabin features also include fold-down tables, armrests and underseat storage, an LCD screen and sat phone. For privacy, there is a cockpit cabin divider bulkhead with left and right-hand sliding windows, as well as a 12-volt power outlet. The flight deck for serial number 760807 is highly configured and certified for single-pilot IFR operations. The avionics suite includes ALT-55B radio altimeter with expanded scale ALI-55A indicator, 4-tube Honeywell EDZ-756 EFIS displays, a universal UNS IF-FMS, Primus 440 weather avoidance radar displayed on a Honeywell multifunction radar display, as well as an LSZ 860 lightning strike sensor, EGPWS, and dual Honeywell digital SPZ 7600 automatic flight control system. Further options include emergency floats, dual retractable boarding steps, LED external lights, as well as a nose-mounted rotor light and tail-mounted logo lights, engine inlet barrier filters, and many more. This S-76 is hangared securely in the United Kingdom and available for viewing on request. Sikorsky S-76C++, serial number 760807, presented by Aero Asset.